Hey guys, Dog Tripod here. Just bringing you guys a quick video and a bit of an update. I have ordered a lot of parts online to build my first computer. Pretty excited about it. So I'm just making a quick vlog of the parts and unboxings. Now this isn't a full tech review of all the details, everything every part does, every bit of detail and number that it produces. It's basically just me unboxing these. I mean, I'll say what I know about them. Some of the stuff may be wrong. If it is, you can update me on the comments. But this is basically just me unboxing these parts, showing what comes in the box, what the part looks like, and that's basically it. So let's get into this. So we'll start off with my RAM. It's a gskills Ripjaws Series V. It is 16 gigs of ddr4 and it's 3600 megahertz. It's over 4 sticks. So let's get this open. Like I said, this is my first ever computer build. So, I mean, I've never unboxed computer parts before in my life. Hopefully I don't break anything, because that will make me sad. Alright, awesome. So this is my RAM. What's that? Looks like a sticker. Oh, I presume it's for the case, like one of them case kind of badge things. So what do we have here? Feel the rush of ddr4. Wow, it's just like one of them leaflets. So this is the RAM. I'll take out one stick. Ooh. Now, I'm going to be super nervous about taking anything out because, like I said, that's in kind of tight. I've never unboxed a computer part in my life and I don't want to break anything. Now, I have my case and my monitors, motherboard, power supply and all are over there. I'll do different videos for them. This is literally just these three because they're a small box. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to watch someone unbox these because I don't wanna. Oh, I didn't break anything, did I? There we go. This is my RAM. Now I'm not gonna touch any of the pins because I'm pretty sure that's never a good thing. So it's actually pretty heavy for just one stick. This is the RAM. Just having a quick look. Yeah, I'm gonna put this back. I will be streaming the actual full build on Twitch, on the creative side of Twitch. Just if anyone does see this and they want to watch it, I will post updates to say when that will be. And I'm just putting this back in the box because I want to keep them all safe until then, because it's going to be another 2 weeks before I actually get to build it. Ignore my laptop and stuff, by the way, guys. And this is one I'm really excited to actually open. I don't have a knife. Give me a moment. There we go. This is actually my kitchen knife that I got for Christmas. It's like a little samurai sword. It's pretty cool. So this is my hard drive. It's a solid state PCIe NVMe drive. Slots straight into one of your PCIe slots on the motherboard. It's the Intel 750 series. Yeah, 750 series. 400 gigs, and this thing is supposed to have crazy read-write speeds. Whoa, that's cool looking. Let me actually say on it. Yeah, so for all you tech people out here, you'll know exactly what the situation with this is, because I'm sure I'm going to butcher it. But it has sequential write speeds of up to 800 megabytes, but I've actually seen it faster than that when people do the tests. And sequential read speeds of 2100 megabytes, so that's just over 2 gigs. And has random reads IHOPs 420,000. I'm not sure what these are. Random writes IHOPs 210,000. Not too sure what they are, but I don't know. It's supposed to be beast mode, so that's why I'm getting this. I was thinking of going M.2, but apparently this, when I actually did the looking into it, this is quite a bit faster. M.2 can go up to 1.2 gigs, I believe, and then this one does over just the 2 gig mark. So yeah, it's pretty cool looking. So you can see here it goes straight into your motherboard, slots into a PCIe lane. It's 4 PCIe lane by 4, I believe. Does it say it on it? Actually doesn't say. Oh yeah, PCIe lane 3.0 by 4. So yeah, it is by 4 lanes. Well, 1 slot, but like it uses up to 4 lanes. So that's pretty awesome. So that's it there. So it goes in that way. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, for smaller cases. As like another little one you can put on instead. That's pretty sweet. Alright, so time for this to go back in the box. You're all probably thinking, oh, this guy's crazy putting all this back in the box. Why doesn't he just leave it out? I just don't want anything to get wrecked, right? It's not getting built for another 2 weeks. So I'm waiting for my GPU to come. So yeah, it's not coming for another 2 weeks. I don't want to be building and then realize, oh shit, something's after breaking because I didn't box it up again properly. Oh, don't want to forget this. Manual. And I'm presuming this is like the drivers for it, but everyone says not to use this to get them online because obviously this is out of date from when it was made, and they have newer drivers which makes it go faster, blah blah blah. So that was that. Now for my CPU. This should be cool to open. I have, like I said, never opened computer parts like this, so I don't want to break anything. That will make me sad if I break something. Okay, so first it comes with a little installation instructions, a little bit of tape on it. That's cool. Looks like a little Core i7. So this here is the skylake, or the LGA 1151 socket. It's the i7-6700K, the unlocked one. I suppose that's the K, so you probably knew that. So this here is 4 gigahertz base, and I've seen them clocked up to like 4.7, 4.6. So that's kind of this here. I don't really want to take it out as cardboard until I'm building it. I know it's in this little plastic thing, but still, I'd just be afraid it's going to get bust. So that here is the chip, my CPU. Pretty cool. Like I said, this is more of just an unboxing to show what comes in them than a actual, hey, these are all the tech specs, this is why you should get it. This is more, hey, this is what I bought, tell me what you think. If you don't like it, let me know. If you think it's good, let me know. It's going back in the box. So yeah, so that's these three: RAM, CPU, a hard drive. Now I will be getting more solid SSDs, but just for now, I'm just using this 400 gig until, I don't know, a couple of months, see how it is, and then maybe get an SSD, maybe the Samsung 850 series, is it the Pro? Like a little black and red one. I'll probably get like a decent size on that. So yeah, that's these three, what I got. I'm going to do an unboxing of my monitors, my motherboard, I have my power supply there, I have my case. So literally I just have to wait for my GPU, and I have to wait for my keyboard. I think that's it. Oh, my cooler, my liquid cooler. And then yeah, then I'll be building it on Twitch, and I hope to see you guys there when I'm doing it. And yeah, so I'm gonna make these other videos now. Okay, awesome. See you soon, guys.